Welcome everyone. Learning any new programming language is difficult, I know. In Python, it gives us more flexibility to start from anywhere, and we don't have to set up any local environment to learn Python specifically because there are multiple options available. One of them is Google Colabs. Today, I will show you how we can use Google Colab simply starting and setting up a development environment for learning in Python. We just need to go to the browser and write Google Colabs. And the first link, you just click on that, and the Google Colab with the running Python environment is available for you. You just need to click on the notebook. It will set up a whole development environment for you to start Python language to do whatever you wanted to do for your learning purposes. Let's start. If I try to write directly a Python code, hello, I am a Python code, and click on execute, it runs the Python code with the Python environment. It has multiple options like writing the code, adding the text editor with the option of a rich text editor. I can write my notes like this is my first code and make the adjustment of that specific text, like making it a heading or making it a bit bolder and things like that. There are a lot to play with that. This had a lot of options that we definitely learn throughout the lecture, and that will be very helpful. See you in the next lecture.